welcome to the channel. If you are new to me, welcome. My name is Kelly Jackson, and I've been in talent acquisition, fancy word for recruiting, for a very long time, about 3 decades. And so I've been out here online, kind of sharing with all of my midlife corporate career professionals all things about sharing your value. How do you communicate it? How do you document it? And how do you create it? If you're currently working, if you're seeking to transition into another employer or to another employer, how do you share and articulate all of the experience and knowledge and skills that you have on a piece of paper, like a resume or a profile like LinkedIn or portfolio that you have or website? So we talk about how to communicate that. And if you're over the age of 50, we also talk about how to leverage our skills and knowledge and experience and transition or create something that we desire and believe in. If you're old to me, if you're OG, welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. We're in this thing. So listen, we did a video, I think it was last week, and it really resonated with you all. I'll link it here. And we talked about age discrimination, I believe it was, and a little bit about age discrimination, but I share with you videos of some people that are over 50 and that are thriving, right? And so listen, first of all, we're not that old. All right, let's cut the crap. We're not that old. We're not that old. And it's a blessing if you get to reach it. If you get to reach 50, listen, if you're not there and you just like the stuff that we're sharing here on this channel, it's a blessing. It is a blessing. I had to learn that, right? But that's neither here nor there. I digress. So what I wanted to do is give you an extension of the last video. And I want to share with you a site that have some opportunities. Now, I think I talked about it in a previous video, not the one last week, but the one way before that. It's my top viewed video. So I know that it's important to you. I'll link that right here, but do me a favor, please do me a favor, because I'm going on the data and the numbers don't lie. I get that. And so that's why I'm continuing to share this information. I need you to drop in the comment what your age is, and then what is your challenge? Because I can come up with what I think, because we're probably the same age and you and I are a lot alike. But if you tell me, then I can tailor a lot of the conversations that we have on the channel. And I'm not wasting your time, right? And you not looking to see when I'm gonna do it next. But if you tell me, if you drop it in the comments, then I can go after the topics. Again, I can come up with some stuff, right, of what I think you want to hear, but it's always best. And it helps the community when others peek in, right? And they have opportunities. They can see who's in the comments. Drop below what your age is and what your challenge is. So let me hop over to my screen and I'm going to share with you this age-friendly employer, as the title indicates. Let me see. Hopefully this flips over. Now listen, I think this was on the older video that I'm sharing with you. That is my highest viewed one. But I know that I didn't go in depth because I share with you several different employers. And I know what happened. Some of you on that video, if you look in the comments, you're saying, well, I looked and either, I don't know, the link's not working or they're not hiring or you couldn't find it, right? And so what I'm going to do is take my time and go through each of these as I find them for you, and share and go in depth. That way we can look together and make sure it's working and it has what you need. That's why it's also important for you to share in the comments what it is you're challenged with right now. Kelly, I am working right now, but I want to transition, but I'm a little fearful of age discrimination. Or Kelly, I'm not really good at articulating all the years of experience that I have in a resume. And by the way, if you haven't checked out my link, I am kellyjackson.com, Kelly with an I. I have a special going on right now for resume documentation, because sometimes it's a challenge to, how do I encapsulate everything I've done throughout the years on a piece of paper, right? And so that's something that we're helping you with right now. It's on special. So get in while you can. Or maybe your challenge is, yeah, I'm 57, I'm 63, I'm 67, I'm 70, I'm 51, or I'm 48, and I'm fearful of age discrimination. And I have done a lot of things. I'm just not sure when I get in an interview or I want a promotion and I'm not sure how to articulate how I've contributed to the company all of these years. If that's something that you need assistance with, you can also schedule a consultation with me so I can show you how to frame it and structure that conversation so that it's messages of value.